hobbies, such as traveling and reading. Hello, my name is Kaya, and today I would like to share with you guys hobbies. Before we start, let's have a warm welcome to my relatives over there. Sadly, my parents did not came. They are busy. I would like to introduce them to you. They are graphic designers, and their names is T.C. Xiong and Polycom. I hope they are watching this in the camera. I would like to say hi. My hobbies, when I think of them, is the three things: video games, exercise, and most of all, what we all need, studies. So let me talk about my favorite hobby and what I spend the most time on. Games. I very love games. It's very addictive. And the two genres I like is RPG and first-person shooters. It's very fun and takes a lot of time. The second of my hobbies is exercising. I'm not very good at exercising, low stamina, everything. Not good. But it's very fun, and I would very like to improve in this new hobby I have. The last but not least, robotics. As our first speaker said, robotics, I'm very interested in it. But the problem is I'm not good. But I love it, and I would like to continue to this new hobby I love. Thank you, Johan Speaking Academy, for bringing me here and giving me the opportunity. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Kaya. Give him a big round of applause.